Have you ever been staring at a homework problem completely stumped, just wishing you could snap a picture and get the answer, like, right now? Well, there's an app for that. It's called Gauth AI, and it promises to do exactly that. But, as we're about to find out, this thing is walking a very fine line between being a game-changing study tool and a super smart way to cheat. So let's get into it.
The beauty of Gauth is just how ridiculously simple it is. Seriously, it's a three-step process. 1, you scan your homework problem with your phone. 2, the app's AI chews on it, figuring out the text, doesn't matter if it's typed or even your messy handwriting. And 3, boom, you get a solution. It's almost too easy, right?
All right, so what is this thing, really? This app that feels kind of like a magic wand for your homework? Let's break down what Gauth AI actually is. And yeah, you might remember it by its old name, Gauth Math. Basically, think of Gauth as this super powerful digital tutor that lives in your pocket. Its whole job is to look at a photo of a problem and spit out not just the final answer, but a full step-by-step breakdown of how to get there. It's going right up against the big players you've probably heard of, like Photomath and Chegg.
So how in the world does it actually pull this off? I mean, it really does feel like magic, but it's not. It's a clever mix of a few different technologies all working together behind the curtain. Let's peel back those layers and see what's really making this app tick.
The secret sauce here is really a tech trio. First, it uses something called optical character recognition, or OCR, to just read the problem. Then it unleashes its AI algorithms to solve it. And this is a key part, if the AI gets stuck, or if you need a better explanation, it can call in the cavalry, a network of actual human tutors.
That first step, OCR, is absolutely crucial. You know, optical character recognition, that's the tech that lets the app's computer brain actually read the words and numbers in your photo. It's what turns a simple picture of your textbook into a digital problem that the AI can actually understand and start working on.
And even though it started out as Gauth Math, with a heavy focus on stuff like algebra, calculus, and geometry, it's not just for math anymore. Nope. The app has seriously broadened its horizons and can now tackle problems in physics, chemistry, and biology too.
Of course, a service this slick brings up a very practical question. What's this going to cost? As you might have guessed, Gauth runs on that classic freemium model. Some of it's free, but the good stuff, that'll cost you.
So let's look at what you get for free versus what you're paying for. With the free version, you get the basics. You know, a few scans a day, and a lot of the time, you only get the final answer. Oh, and ads. Lots of ads. But if you shell out for Gauth Plus, the doors swing open. We're talking unlimited AI searches, those all-important step-by-step solutions, and you get to jump the line to talk to a human tutor. Plus, no ads.
So what's the price tag for that Plus subscription? Well, it can change depending on where you are and what deals are running, but generally, you're looking at about $12 a month for all that homework help on demand.
Okay, so we've covered what it is, how it works, and how much it costs. But honestly, the tech isn't even the most interesting part of this story. It's the controversy. Because with a tool this powerful, you better believe there are some major concerns.
The app promises instant answers, easy learning. Sounds great, right? But what are the catches? What are the downsides here? Let's get into the 3 biggest risks that come with using Gauth AI. First up, and this is the big one that keeps teachers and parents up at night, academic integrity. Does a tool that just hands you the answers actually help you learn, or does it just help you cheat?
Look, when an app can serve up the answer on a silver platter, the risk is huge that students will just copy it down without actually learning anything. This plugs right into this giant debate we're having in education. Where's the line between using a tool to learn better and just using it to skip the hard work? Rely on it too much, and you might not develop those critical thinking skills. And yeah, in most schools, this would be a clear violation of their academic honesty policy.
All right, so that's the classroom concern, but there's another one that follows you home, and it's all about your data privacy. When you're scanning your homework, where is all that information actually going?
And this is a really big deal. The app is officially made by a company in Singapore, but its parent company is ByteDance. Yep, the same Chinese tech giant that owns TikTok. And because of that connection, Gauth is under the exact same intense microscope when it comes to data privacy, especially since, the app needs access to your camera and all your photos to even work.
And the final risk we have to talk about is a technical one. It's about the AI itself. Can you always 100% trust the answer that Gauth gives you?
The short answer is no. Just like any other AI, Gauth can hallucinate. That's just a fancy way of saying it can give you an answer that looks perfectly right, but is actually dead wrong. This tends to happen more with really high-level, complex university stuff. Now, that human tutor network is supposed to be the safety net here, but the takeaway is obvious. If it's for a big grade, you should probably double-check the AI's work.
So after digging into how it works, what it costs, and all the risks, we're left with this fundamental question. What is Gauth AI? Is it a helpful tool, or is it a dangerous trap?
You know, this quote really just nails it. If you use it with discipline to check your own work or to understand that one tricky step you're stuck on, it can be an amazing learning tool. But if you're just using it to get answers without putting in the effort, it's a real threat to actual learning.
Ultimately, the answer really doesn't lie in the app. It lies with the person using it. Gauth AI puts an incredible amount of power right into a student's hands. So the real question we have to ask isn't about the app, it's about us. Is this a powerful study tool to build real understanding? Or is it just the smartest new shortcut to an empty grade? The choice, it seems, is yours.